Hi, and thanks for watching this short video about the making of folded linen lampshades at the California Workshop. We're a small craft studio started in 2012 and located in Southern California. We combine the values of modernism and the values of craft to make as many useful things as we can. When we moved into our shop, we designed and made all the furniture and fixtures, from the paper towel holder to the workbenches and chairs. Many of the things we made, we offered as products over the years, but most have been discontinued because they were replaced by a better version, or they were just too costly to produce. The Oricata lampshades are no different. We designed hundreds of different designs and different versions, all driven by warm, dimmable LED light bulbs and a natural fiber diffuser. The folded linen lamps are our most popular product today, so I've combined some videos and stills from the making process to show you how we make them. The shade making process starts with the lamination of fabric to a thin diffuser film made of styrene. We do this ourselves in small batches or have it done for us in New Jersey to fill larger orders. Once laminated to the backing film, the material is then rolled out onto a large laser cutting machine that cuts and scores the precise pattern and features required for each of the shade shapes and sizes. The laser cutting machine is a versatile and powerful modern tool that we rely on heavily at the California Workshop. It is also used to cut the shade holders that are part of the wire harness assembly. And this is when the real work begins. We hand fold along each of the score marks, paying careful attention to the direction of each fold. The scoring marks make it possible to consistently get the folds precisely where they need to be in the preparation for the next step. The large saucer shade is approximately 2 feet wide by 8 feet long at this stage. The collapsing of the shade is the trickiest part. Some sizes and shapes are more difficult than others, but the same principle applies to all of them. Each folder has their own technique using both hands and their body to coax the shade into the shape. Once collapsed, we can bind both ends with waxed linen thread and then allow the shade to expand to its full volume. And it's ready for service. If you want to learn more about what we are up to at the California Workshop, go to thecaliforniaworkshop.com or follow us on Instagram @thecaliforniaworkshop. Thanks for watching.